So today we are consulting about apples and avocados in Nyeri, and we are talking about what challenges are facing these avocado trees, both in a black cotton soil, because some are doing well, others are not doing well. We find some have a J-root problem and others have a water poor drainage issues. So let me show you as we talk. So like you can see, this is an avocado tree, this one here. So this avocado tree, they almost 2 years now, and you can see this is doing well, although we also have a challenge with passion mites. Yeah, these are passion mites which are ailing, so we're grateful that this one are still alive, so we need to control them. So we need a spray program for passion mites. I want you guys, what do you recommend the best spray program for passion mites? You try different products, they're not working. Okay, that is number one, the challenge you're facing. I need to show you another challenge here. So these are onions, so planted. This is an avocado tree which is producing at a very young stage, so this is not good. Okay, when you allow your avocado tree to start producing at this stage, because they just focus on feeding the fruit, not feeding of the tree, and we want the tree to be big enough first, so that when it is start producing, it is good to go. So another thing I want to show you in this tree, this one. So we have a challenge here. Number one, you can see this tree does not have any leaves. Okay, and one reason for that is because of passion mites. These ones I'm showing you, you see this one. So the issue, so that is passion mite. Can also be another challenge of root rot, which is causing the tree to be that way.
You see there, this one has many fruits.
Yeah, this one has a lot of fruits, because so in a concentrate to feed the fruits, not so you can also this tree, it has a lot and a lot of fruits, so it is concentrating on feeding these fruits instead of focusing on growth first. So you see this one, this the same issue. So two main problem causing this challenge here in this area, either a J-root problem, where you find the avocado tree as a root which is either coiled in one way, or you can find that the tree has a lot of does not retain water very well. So that's a main problem that we are maybe facing in this tree. Yeah, so we want a solution for that, so that we may make the farm more productive.